Following relaxation in lockdown rules, the harvesting of cherry crop is in full swing in Kashmir Valley of India's northern Jammu and Kashmir territory. Kashmiri cherries are always in high demand and enjoy a virtual monopoly as the fruits from the region are preferred across the country and the world for their taste and quality. Cherry growers in Srinagar city of India's northern Jammu and Kashmir territory began plucking process of the fruit on Tuesday as COVID-19 restrictions were relaxed. Cherry is cultivated in many parts of the Kashmir Valley, with Shopian and Tangmarg being the major producers. Being an early crop after strawberry, cherry cultivation provides an additional income to the growers. Due to lockdown restrictions, growers and workers were not able to travel and reach the farms to pluck cherries in order to sell it. However, with curbs being released in several districts of Jammu and Kashmir on Sunday, workers were able to travel and carry on with the farm activities.
कोविड से हमारा कुछ नुकसान भी हो गया, हम यहाँ तक अच्छे से नहीं आ सके, तो अब रिलैक्सेशन की वजह से हम यहाँ तक पहुँचे, तो जिसकी वजह से हमने ये चेरीज वगैरह गिलास वगैरह उतार लिए सर।
शुक्र अल्लाह का सर, इस साल बहुत ही अच्छा फ्रूट मिला है। एक्चुअली इस साल तो कोविड की वजह से हमें थोड़ी सी परेशानी हो गई थी। उसके कारण जब अभी रिलैक्सेशन हुआ था कोविड की वजह से, अभी हमारा फ्रूट निकल रहा है। धीरे धीरे हम इस फ्रूट को निकल रहे हैं, पैकिंग कर रहे हैं। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे पैकिंग हो रही है हमारी फ्रूट की, और यहाँ से जाने के बाद हम व्यापारियों को ये माल दे दिए तो वो आगे मंडी से ट्रांसफ़र कर दे बाहर कंट्री में।
Kashmiri cherries are always in high demand and enjoy a virtual monopoly as the fruits from the state are preferred across the country and the world for their taste and quality. The horticulture sector is a major contributor to the economy of Jammu and Kashmir. Besides cherries, other fruits such as apples, pears, walnuts and almonds are the major commercial crops of the region.